Assalamualaikum students, today's topic of presentation is voices of past indefinite tense. First of all, we have to look at rules by which active sentence is transformed into passive voice. First of all, we have to look at active voice where subject is placed at the start of the sentence, then second form of verb, then object. In case of negative sentence, when we put did not in the sentences, did is already a second form, do, did, done, as you know. Then we will put first form in the sentences and then object. In case of interrogative sentences, did is placed before the sentence, then subject, then first form of verb, then object, and we will place question mark at the end. In case of passive voices, auxiliary verbs was or verb will be added in the sentences, then object plus was or were according to the singular or plural, then third form of verb by, and then subject. In case of negative sentences, object will be placed, then was and were, not will be placed, then third form of verb, then by, and after that subject will be placed. In case of interrogative sentences, was or were will placed before the sentence, then object, then third form of verb, then by and subject, and at the end question mark will be placed. Examples are Rima cleaned the door. This is an active voice sentence. Then passive voices, the floor was cleaned by Rima. Active voices, Aisha bought a bicycle. Passive is a bicycle was bought by Aisha. Active is Naman called my friends. Passive is my friends were called by Naman. Active is I saved him. Passive is he was saved by me. Active is Miraya paid the bills. Passive is the bills were paid by Miraya. Thank you.